Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus. Open Exodus, unlock your wallet, and tap Wallet to begin buying Bitcoin immediately. Select Bitcoin, choose Buy, enter the amount you want, and pick your payment method. Complete any identity verification steps, review fees and the network estimate, then confirm the purchase. Your Bitcoin will arrive in your Exodus wallet after the network confirms the transaction, and you can view it in Wallet. Start by tapping Buy in the Wallet tab and choose Bitcoin from the asset list so Exodus knows what to purchase. Enter the amount in dollars or Bitcoin and check the displayed fees and estimated network time before proceeding. Pick your saved card or add a new payment method, complete any verification or 3D secure prompts, then confirm the buy. After confirmation, monitor the transaction status in Exodus until the Bitcoin shows in your wallet. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides like this one. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a terrific read if you want to change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with learning to manage crypto responsibly. I put a link in the description for the book and other deals, so check that out, and now let's get back to the video. Always review the spread and network fee shown by Exodus so you know total cost and timing before confirming a buy. Enable the app lock, use a strong password, and back up your 12-word recovery phrase offline in case of device loss. If you are nervous, buy a small test amount first to ensure funds arrive correctly, then proceed with larger purchases once you confirm the process and timing works for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.